iPhone stuck on the Apple logo? Screen frozen and not moving? Relax. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 real fixes that work in 2025. No data loss, no panic. Fix 1. Force restart. First, let's force restart your iPhone. Press volume up arrow. Volume down arrow, hold power button. Don't release it. Keep holding until the Apple logo disappears and reappears. This solves most boot freezes. Fix 2. Plug and power. Reset. Next, connect your iPhone to a charger. Sometimes the battery protection kicks in and stops booting. Once connected, hold the power button for 15 seconds. If you hear a click or vibration, it's reviving. Final fix. Recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac. Now do the force restart buttons again, but keep holding until you see the laptop cable screen icon. Open iTunes or Finder. Click Update, not Restore. This refreshes the system without deleting data. Bonus tip. If your phone still doesn't boot, try a different cable or charger. Many times it's a power delivery issue. And that's how you fix iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. Drop your iPhone model below. I'll guide you personally. Don't forget to like and subscribe. RK Tech here. See you in the next fix.